Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and welcome to Retro Friday. Listen, people, this one is a nice watch face to have in your lineup. It is definitely geared toward fitness. I love the look and I also like the layout of all the information as well. Now, the name of the watch face is called Runner's Paradise. Now, if you look at this watch face, it has a nice, unique look. In the AOD mode, you're going to get your digital time with a nice black background. And when the watch face is on, I love everything about it. You got to see this watch face in person. This is definitely geared for the runner in you. It's got the word run down at the bottom. Of course, you're going to get your miles walked or ran. You're going to get your heart rate information. You're going to get your steps in the center, which looks nice. Then you're going to get your digital time up at the top along with your date. But I love the look of the background. You got the road, just you on the road, baby, just you on the road, and you got the sky up at the top. So I thought it was definitely a good look for a runner's watch face. But the question is, what do you think? All right, you all, I hope you all enjoy Retro Friday. Tell me what you think about Retro Friday. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you want it to go away or do you want more of it? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And with that, people, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.